Minecraft 26.1 Snapshot 1 brought us Data Pack version 95 and Resource Pack version 76, with news like data-driven villager trades. My name is Slime, and welcome to the new Pack News channel. This is where the Pack News videos will live from now on, so if you're interested in these videos, make sure to subscribe to the new channel. Let's dive in and start with the new villager trades. Which trades the different villager professions use is now data-driven through a couple of new registries in a similar way to loot tables. You can even think of them as a sort of trade tables. Each entry in the new villager trade registry folder is a JSON file which describes one possible trade offering. It has fields for what the merchant wants as well as what the resulting item for trade is. This is described using a gives item stack plus a given item modifiers list of modifiers which are item modifiers, also known as loot item functions. Whether this trade is available is controlled by the merchant predicate, which is a loot condition predicate for the merchant entity evaluated when the trade is unlocked. The reputation discount and double trade price enchantments fields control the price of the resulting item. The max uses field controls the available stock, and the XP field controls the amount of XP the merchant gets when the trade is used. Another new registry is called Trade Sets, which controls which groups of trades are available to which merchant type. Each trade set has a set of trades, the amount of trades to unlock, whether duplicates are allowed, and a random sequence ID used for the randomization. Currently, the only trade sets that are used are the built-in ones for all villager professions and levels, as well as the Wandering Trader. There is a related item component as well. Additional Trade Cost, which is a transient component only used while trades are being generated, and flags that the trade should get a higher cost. And the new tags in this version are all related to the new data-driven trades. That includes a host of new villager trade tags and potion tags, as well as the removal of trade-specific enchantment tags, which were only used in the Trade Rebalance pack. There are a number of loot item function improvements as well. The Set Random Dice function has been added to randomize die colors on items. The Set Random Potion function has been added and sets a potion contents component from a set of options. Enchant with levels and enchant randomly both now have an additional boolean field that makes them set an additional trade cost component on the item. This version also brings improvements to the player entity subpredicate, which now has an optional food field. When present, this is a predicate on the player's food values that can check either the food level or the saturation. And there's a new number provider in this version. Sum, which adds a number of number providers specified in the summons field. This snapshot brings us 3 new environment attributes, adding onto the system added in the last version. They are all RGB colors specifying the block light tint, the ambient light color, and the night vision color. In command news, there's a new swing command. It can be used to make entities that can swing, swing. The arguments are an entity selector for the entity that should swing, and a specification of which hand to swing. And Piglin inventory slots can now be accessed using the Piglin dot prefix for commands that reference item slots. In Resource Pack news, the changes are all related to shaders and the new light map system, with new information added to the light map info uniform. And that's it for this version. Thank you for watching, and once again welcome to the new channel. Please subscribe to it if you haven't already so you don't miss any future Pack News videos. My name is Slime, and I'll see you next time.